Hey yo, what's good YouTube? This is Citywide.Kb and I'm coming back with another video, and today I got a little surprise for y'all boys today. Hold on, where I put that son bitch, hold on. So what we got here, my boy, is a J37 throttle body, my boy. Why would I pick this boy up? If you can't tell, this motherfucker look huge on camera. Overall, more air motherfucker. I'm finna put this on and I'm gonna catch y'all when I put this motherfucker on. Hold on.
I can't ride up in no charge. Got the wheel like Jimmy Johnson. I can't go like Paul Walker. We take engine 3.2 at the TL. Let's go off.
So boom, I had to come back and stop what the fuck I was doing and come back and let y'all niggas know y'all gotta shave them 2 tabs down on top right there. And I think I gotta shave this bit down some more so this bitch will fit. But you can't swap it, it'll throw a code. But just shave these down until it fit. Hit these 412s, hook this 3-inch back up, and kick back up, which boom, I got the throttle body off. Shit, you can't tell that this angle, but hold on. That motherfucker is bigger, bro. Camera not doing it justice, so motherfucker can literally fit in there. It's just crazy. So what, the Mustang back on the road or what?
No. Nah. Just for certain occasions.
It's finna be back up. Just give it a little time.
Take that motherfucker to mix your transmission.
What? Finally got this stud in there, boy. Yeah. Dante, what the fuck is that?
Me from last night.
Hold on.
You got us racing too or not?
No, I'm talking about the thing in your hand, Dante. What is
It's a hookah pin.
Nah, I'm straight.
That's
Nigga, brake cleaning, goddamn rubber don't mix.
Where's rubber? Ain't that by the bitch.
Yep, I ain't trying to regasket that some bitch. We alright. There you go, we got a little more go down. Yes, sir. Oh, damn, that hurt my finger.
What that bitch finna do?
Goddamn, motherfucker hooked all the way up. Goddamn. Need to hook with the IAT, but that bitch look good though. I ain't even hold you. The big ass throttle body make this 3-inch pipe look puny, but I ain't gonna hold you. This shit look good though.
Is that a fucking AMG? And it's all fucking black, bro.
Ooh.
Oh my fucking God, it's all black, bro. What the fuck? What the fuck? But look what he doing. That's what the fuck we need to be doing. That nigga standing out there at the road, nigga. Oh yes, Lord. Is he finna do a burn? Oh no, he on the side of the road. You know. We in the swiper, no swiping. Huh? You know what I'm saying? Yeah, we finally pulling up to the Nashville, you guys. Feel me, Nash?
Late as fuck.
Latest motherfucker here, but you feel me? We coming in.
Man, we got the Viper over there, bro.
19 frames a second.
19, what the fuck are you talking about?
Say 19.
19 fence. What you
Yo,
mean?
this nigga said on side of the fucking Camaro.
I don't know what the fuck that means.
Oh, what the fuck that is? My car is a motherfucker.
Yep. Is that a 488? That is. I ain't gonna lie to you. The pistol. Military van in that bitch.
A chop Ford Raptor. 6 seats in it.
I ain't gonna lie. Yeah, it's a 5.7.
Damn. I thought it was.
Motherfucker tough. I ain't gonna lie.
Well, this is in a fucking super.
You know this a boxer, right?
A what?
A boxer.
That sound like what?
It don't sound like American noises. They got everybody dream cars right here. I'm just not feeling the Hell Keezies, dude. I'm just not feeling the Hell Keezies, dude. Got the color there though. It's cool. Shit, I ain't gonna lie. I can't beat it. I ain't gonna lie to you. Got the green belt. I like it. That Destroyer? Nah, is this Destroyer? Is this Destroyer?
Yeah, this is Destroyer.
It's nice. catch can. Then we got the V over here. This is it'll be alright. That motherfucker nice though. Bone stop. It don't mean he ain't no slouch though. They go to Dark Horse. Hey, I got those wheels.
662.
Where?
In front of you, nigga.
Ain't nowhere.
These niggas turboed the fucking Cavalier, nigga.
No. This is. Whoa.
That's how they get your ass.
And they got. Hold on, is there a car? Or the
Those are
Cargo?
car rush.
They done turboed the Cavalier though. That's wild, bro. They turboed the Cavalier. Hold on, let's get the ad in there.
Bro, that whole thing is good. Like
Gotta get the ad in there. Y'all go tap in here.
The whole good inside the car.
Oh yeah. We gonna leave him alone. The whole thing good. Yeah, we gonna leave him alone. That bitch right there. In white. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. In white. I fucks with
Bro, that whole title, like,
that bitch is quick.
look at my face.
Yeah, and they got an instant
If
360.
it's on a tire, my nigga, leave it a fuck alone.
Bro, and he got a 360 cam on that motherfucker. That bitch is fast. That bitch is fucking fast.
These are daily drivers, y'all.
Exactly. Ah, shit, there go my dog. What's going on with you, my boy? Motherfucker, I did.
What you been on though?
Shit, moving the road. This is my first one in a while, so shit. I thought y'all been dipped out.
It's a motor night.
It's a motor night. Good to see you too, bro. That bitch is tough, though. Not gonna hold you. Ah, that boy on Nitto.
And that most big one.
Oh, he got the S650 lights too.
These 650 lights on both.
With the instant 360 cam. Buddies like that. And we got my dog, goddamn, plumb crazy G in this motherfucker. Bro, don't fuck with this one right here. It's the 1G that'll kick your ass. This motherfucker right here fast as shit.
It's everything's done to it. It's full bow tie, GTR injectors, long tube PPE headers. That's what I'm saying. Bitch, you got cams. That's the only reason why you fast.
What you think about doing?
Well, we gotta change the rims up. We finna go suspension setup first and foremost. Finna beef the whole suspension up. I'm not gonna boost it. When we blow this engine up, then we'll boost it. Cause this is the original engine in there, so we gonna keep it. We at 183,000 miles and we still rolling, and it's clean on the inside. So take care of y'all maintenance people.
Damn, he talking about me.
Look at this. See that cam?
Hell no.
That's a boost cam.
That's a boost cam.
That's a boost cam. It's not hit hard. Watch me pull out.
I don't think he's gonna pull out no time soon,
I
gangsta.
don't know, but that more time make it made the whole collar.
I don't know.
You put a tire on your car, you'll see what I'm talking about.
Is that a Lance? Hold on, nigga. Hold on. That is a Lance. Nah, it's not. I don't think so. Oh yeah, it is. That is a Lance. He got Brimbos all the way around. Ah, and the C6. Bro, them quad tips on that bitch is fucking huge. Hold on. That bitch is Jesus. Whoa. Bro got 6-piston rear brakes. Yeah, that's how you know he's fucking fast. 6-piston rear brakes? That motherfucker's fast. Motherfucker C7 cold though.
Back at that bitch saying Huncho.
That's a nigga on. That Julia is nice. I'm a daily one of these, I ain't gonna hold you. I don't really care for the M2s, but that damn Julia is cold. Oh, damn. If you know, you know. Oh, it's triplets. That's crazy. And you got the carbon lip on that bitch. Oh. That bitch is crazy.
That the one that this probably one of the fastest motherfuckers out here, and it's getting the least love. Fuck the rest of these cars. I take this bitch over all of them.
I mean,
I don't think
What do you do?
What you got, cuz.
no, I'm talking about he deleted something. I can't remember what they delete to put right there.
Oh my god, they got long tubes.
Is that the SH all-wheel drive?
That hoe got long tubes and it's pro
For real?
tubes.
That bitch is on long too. Let's talk.
I don't even know what to say, but it just took my whole breath away.
Ah, shit, time to go. A GR suit. I don't think you know how crazy that one is, like. That bitch is tough though.
That was like a real 6
In a straight line. Other than that, if y'all did like this video, go ahead, thumbs it up, subscribe, turn on post notifications on. Be on the lookout for a POV with the new Manifold, but and also be on the lookout for a bigger, colder intake, my boy, because my throttle body is now bigger than my whole goddamn colder intake, so I got to do something about that. Yeah, I got to do something about that. If you can't see, we got a lot of room down there for activity. Today was just the intake manifold and the throttle body, but y'all go ahead and like that video, subscribe, turn on post notifications on. Been your boy Citywide.Kb, and I'm gonna catch you when I catch you.
Bye, have a great time. Hand on the wheel, foot on the gas. All out of time, I didn't burn up my cash. I'm back on my grind, yeah, I'm back in my bag. If I'm not in first, then I feel like I'm last. It's not a face, it's a passion now. I follow my dreams and I'm cashing out. Still feel like it might just come crashing down. Damn.